In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the Xbox Series X Instagram filter so you can go ahead and send it to your friends. It's a pretty cool little filter, and then once you have it on Instagram, you can go ahead and use it on any other social media like TikTok or Facebook. So all you need to do to get this filter is tap on the magnifying glass at the bottom there. Then you want to search for an account called hanungsn. So it's the first result right here, and I'll leave this name in the description so you can copy it down from there. Tap on that name, and then you want to go to the filters section under their profile, and you can see the Xbox Series X filter. Go ahead and tap on it. You can go ahead and try it from here by tapping on try it, and you can see it puts an Xbox Series X on your screen. All you would need to do is record a video, and then you have a video. You can send it to your friends from here, or you can download it and use it anywhere else. So that is how you get the Xbox Series X Instagram filter. If you got some value out of this video, then don't forget to smash the like button and consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.